Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. July came and just disappeared in a blink, but not without leaving me a little obsessed with some random, some useful, and some also unnecessary products that I'm still uh, obsessed with and love it anyways. So, this is the July favorites, and I really wanted to share this with you. So, let's quickly get started. This is one of those videos which is going to be super chill, super chatty, and I'm going to talk about the products, the series, the music, some electronic gadget, and everything random that I really want to talk about, which I've experienced or which I've used in July 2025. So, go grab some snack and just sit down because it's going to be a fun chatty one. The first one, I feel, to pump up everyone's mood, we have to start with my favorite song. Now I'm just going to play it for about 3 seconds, okay? नहीं तो copyright lag jayega, please understand. But I feel that if you would have heard this song, you would be absolutely hooked to it. I'm just going to play it for like 3 seconds, okay? Hear this. For some reason, I've been hooked to this song. I went so crazy that I started, rehearsing or just practicing the step, looking out for the step whenever I'm going out. The first song that plays is this, and it's been happening from June, but it was like here and there. But July, I was constantly hooked with this song, and I don't know, for some reason it's so damn catchy. It just sticks to your brain, and anytime I'm like a little, under the weather, I just put this song, and I'm like, I really, really love it. If you also love this song, which I feel you would, just put that in the comments. Tell me your favorite part of the song. Would love to hear. Okay, so the real motive of my channel is skincare, so we have to talk about this product. Now, this is something that I recently discovered क्योंकि मुझे ही नहीं पता था that this brand actually exists. So I came across this brand right here, which is PHD, and it is called Proved Honest Derma. So I read about this brand which says that they are actually already established in the USA and UK, and now they've come to India, and their whole motive is to, obviously, deal with actives, look for Indian skin tone, and work around our skin tone and everything of that. So I have with me the 2% alpha arbutin depigmentation serum with 2% of Turbo Bright. Now I had no idea what Turbo Bright is. However, we all know that alpha arbutin actually helps us with, reducing the pigmentation, fades away the scars and everything. But the most interesting thing that I really want to talk about is, when you're applying your products, you should always remember that you should know what you're actually applying. So this one was really, really cool, okay? So they say that alpha arbutin, when it is combined with Turbo Bright, is proven to be great at targeting pigmentation. Okay, this ingredient is an outcome of rigorous research, which means that they would have done a lot of research and insight that come from the PhD Council, which means their brand. Okay, and they also say that I completely agree to that our Indian skin tone actually produce a lot of melanin, which is something that is to do with our skin color. It actually says that it is proven to reduce melanin production, an enzyme that gives your skin its color. Like I said, it diminishes dark spots for brighter complexion, which is so damn true. It's very natural that our skin actually produces a lot of melanin, so we really need products which actually helps it to be at bay and not produce a lot of it. Otherwise, we are going to prone to pigmentation, and that's the reason they bought this product. This product actually looks so damn cool. This is something it looks like. It's absolutely stunning. I really like the packaging on how it looks, and also the pipette that it comes from is super classy. It is very good, and also I'm going to show you how it actually feels on the skin. Can you see that? It's very runny and it blends in so beautifully. Can you see that? And yeah, it's done. And the thing is, it's runny, but it is not sticky. I really love this about the product. It does have a mild smell to it, but it is not very, how do I put it? To be very honest, it is a little medicine ka smell that comes, and it just goes away after a while. So I'm like quite okay with it. I don't have a problem with it. So yeah, this does the job. That is what I would say. I used it for about 1.5 week because I got this product in mid July, and I think I've been very consistent with it, like morning, evening for about 15 days. So I really love this product. So if you are someone who has hypopigmentation, you can definitely check this out because it has 2%, alpha arbutin with like I said, Tyro Bride in it. Okay, so let's talk about my favorite series. So I've been hooked with this Criminal Justice Part 4, I think. That's the series that I've come up. And the first two that I watched, and I was like blown away with it. And then I was like looking for the third one, and Part 3 never released. And then I understood that it actually releases every Thursday, which pissed me off. But I've seen the entire thing now. And man, Pankaj Tripathi is one of my favorite actors now. When I saw the part three, we went back to the part one and part two, and then we saw the part three and part four because it was so good. I'm blown away with the kind of acting, the storyline, and everything. It's so cool. So if you're someone who loves, lawyers, or if you like something which is very mysterious kind of shows, I think you should definitely check this out. It's super good. The next one is the makeup category, and I often don't do anything about makeup because that is not my forte. But then I ordered a bunch of skincare products from Nykaa, and Nykaa sent me the Maca sample. Okay, this is something it looks like, and this is the sample. Now, the first time I was trying to order, I was getting a range between medium to darker skin tone, which was NC 40 and 42, I believe. But I ordered it later and I received this one, which is, I think, uh, it has NC 25, NC 30, and NC 35. So this is something it looked like, which is like almost over. I was eyeing on a matte foundation for a very, very long time, but looking at the kind of variant or shade it has, I was like, which one do I pick? Because it's already expensive and cannot get it online. But when this arrived, I tried the NC 35, which I also wore it in my previous video. I just put a clip if I find it. And I also received a comment that my makeup looked top notch. I don't know, for some reason, I'm not someone who loves wearing a lot of makeup, but when I applied the MAC one, I was like so blown away. Right now, also, there was a very little left. So I just put it under my eyes and over my face, a little bit, whatever was left, because this one is literally like over and this is like super shabby right now. I am in love with this foundation. I wore it the entire day the last time that I put this on, and I did not feel heavy at all. It's so damn lightweight. You don't even feel like you've put in a foundation, and that is something that I was hunting for. But it is very expensive. I do agree, but I can't wait to get my hands on this one. Probably I'll get like a mini one, which is for about 2,000, 3,000, I believe, and then probably I'll go for a bigger one. But for now, I think I'm hooked with the MAC one. Whatever I had, I just used it. I still feel that NC 35 is a one shade lighter on my face. I genuinely thought, looking at the creators, that I would be like NC 40, but turns out that 35 worked for me. And after like 30-40 minutes, this foundation actually oxidizes. So it actually comes to my skin tone and then it actually matches with my neck color also, which I'm very much blown away. So the number one thing that I have to do is go to a store, get my shade corrected, see which one is perfect for me, and then probably I'll pick a mini one, and probably we can do makeup here, right here, because I'm trying to learn makeup because I think it really looks good on screen when I'm like filming. Otherwise, I just literally look poor. So I really tried this and it worked. So I love MAC foundation. I'm completely blown away and I'm hooked. Can't wait to go and get a bigger or a mini size version of this. The next category has to be a gadget. Now, I have a ring light. Okay, so first I only had like a normal light, and then I literally upgraded to a ring light because उतना ही पैसा है मेरे पास. Okay, so I was shooting the ring light like up straight, and I was नहीं इतना harsh लग रहा है. लोग बोल रहे हैं कि बहुत अच्छा आता है ring light effect and blah blah blah. Then I learned how to fix it and everything. I'll just put like a clip right here on how my ring light looks like actually. I'll just put it right here somewhere. And my god, it just It just is about colors, guys. What however you look, when you go on in a natural light settings, your skin looks so good. And likewise, when you have a proper light in your room where you're filming, it just changes the game. So I'm very much liking the ring light effect. So I think if you have a ring light and you're not able to understand, you should go and study something about it and use it, because it's damn good. I have understood that you should never put a ring light like this, like on your face. It should be like this, when you go to a washroom and you see a washroom, I mean restroom or washroom anywhere in a mall or in your office, if it's huge, you always see that when a light pops from above, your face actually looks so good, and you don't even see the under eye, right? It's all because of the light. It's not because the skin is doing fabulous, it's also because of the light. So I think that has really changed the game. So this is something that I would highly recommend. If you want the link, just put that in the comments and I'll share the link with you. Another random favorite that I want to talk about is this mind trick that blew my mind. I have already spoken about it, but let me address, I'm an overthinker and I process things like shitty, nothing positive, everything negative, and it just screws my mind. And I have all the shitty people around me, which I don't like. It's very rare that you come and stay here inside my heart, because I don't know, for some reason, I feel all the people that I meet or um, see, they are very mean, and it really triggers me. Okay, I do have lovely people as well, but I am very introvert. I really like to keep my group extremely small. I am very selective. I don't trust people very easily. Okay. So the point is, I get triggered very easily by the people I don't like, and they exactly know how to trigger me. So the thing was, when that was happening, I was just losing my calm, and I learned a breath technique by Dr. Joe Dispenza, a book that I'm reading about the superpower. And it they actually, like, he actually teaches on how to do a breath work which will instantly calm you down. I do that and it just works for me. So all you have to do is breathe in, hold your breath, and leave out. And when you're doing it, just say, like I say, you can say anything that you want. Inhale the positivity, exhale the toxicity. That's what I say, and it's so funny. I find it funny. Inhale the positive people, exhale the negative people. I say, and it really works. Okay, it's like mind blowing. You can say anything that you want. It's just that you have to say it, which makes you super, super good. This also actually makes me feel so good. It actually calms down your nervous system and just helps you heal. That's so important, because when somebody triggers you, I know what shitty space you would be in there. So it really helped me. So you can just do this breath work and it will just do magic. So this was like one of those videos that I really wanted to share. And that's a wrap up for July favorites. I would love to know what was your favorites in the month of July. Would love it. Anything random, just pop that in the comment section below. I think I'll be doing this quite often, only if you love it. So you know the drill. You have to go down and comment and tell me if you like this video and you want me to make this every month. And only if you do, I am going to make this. Okay, so with that, I hope you love this video. If you did, like, share, subscribe, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love, love.